When does the discriminant give real solutions? Imagine you're trying to find where a parabola crosses the x-axis. The key to knowing if it touches or crosses is in the discriminant. The discriminant is part of the quadratic formula, which helps solve equations like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It is calculated as b squared minus for times a times c. This number tells us about the solutions of the quadratic equation. When the discriminant is greater than 0, it means the quadratic has two different solutions. Think of it like the parabola crossing the x-axis at 2 points. These are called to real solutions because they are actual numbers you can find. If the discriminant equals 0, the parabola just touches the x-axis at 1 point. This gives us exactly one real solution, sometimes called a double root. It's like the parabola just barely kissing the x-axis. Now, if the discriminant is less than 0, things change. The parabola does not cross or touch the x-axis at all. Instead, it stays above or below it. This means there are no real solutions because the solutions are complex numbers, which involve imaginary parts. So, in simple terms, the discriminant gives us real solutions when it is 0 or positive. Knowing this helps us quickly figure out how many real solutions a quadratic equation has without solving it fully. It also helps us understand the shape of the parabola on a graph. When solving word problems, checking the discriminant first can save time. If the discriminant is negative, you know there are no real solutions, so you can skip further calculations. If it's 0 or positive, you can proceed knowing how many solutions to expect. In summary, the discriminant gives real solutions when it is 0 or greater than 0. A positive discriminant means two solutions, and 0 means one solution. This simple check is a handy tool to understand the nature of quadratic equations and their graphs.